TikTok Lite FAQ 12 burning question finally answered. Honestly, in 2026. So, the Lite philosophy, built by ByteDance, an official TikTok app engineered from the ground up for efficiency, not a strap version. It's designed for everyone and core experience first. So here, um, performance versus features, the real trade-off: 30 MB app size versus the 200 MB app size. Less data usage, full data consumption, fast on all device, requires modern hardware, no AR effect, includes AR effect, no advanced editing system, has advanced editing suite, no AI safety labels as AI content labels. So, the 2026 landscape. So, the regional rollout. This is not a global default. Deployment is targeted based on the local infrastructure and device penetration in emerging markets first. Same privacy, fewer filters. Lite shares the same core privacy policies as the standard app, but lacks some content moderation filters on in full versions. Smart usage strategy. Use Lite on mobile data for browsing. Switch the standard app on Wi-Fi when you're ready to create and engage deeply. So the honest verdict, guys, TikTok Lite is for you if you use an older phone, you're data conscious, or a keypad plan. Your family watch and discover. Not great. You live in a region where slower connectivity. Skip it if you're a professional or aspiring creator. You need a high def video quality. You're rarely on AR effect and editing tools. Content safety labels matters to you. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down in the comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And thank you, guys.